What if your next road trip felt less like a journey, and more like a luxury lifestyle on wheels? Imagine carrying your entire home, comfort, and freedom wherever you go, without sacrificing power or style. The future of travel has arrived, and it's bigger, smarter, and more exciting than ever. Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into something truly special, the new 2026 motorhome from Toyota. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a complete experience designed for adventurers, families, and anyone who dreams of hitting the open road without limits. So buckle up, because this is not your typical RV, this is Toyota redefining what a motorhome can be. As you first lay eyes on the 2026 Toyota motorhome, the exterior immediately makes a bold statement. It combines rugged utility with modern elegance, giving it a commanding presence on the road. The front fascia features a redesigned grille that blends seamlessly with sleek LED headlights, creating a futuristic yet practical look. These headlights are sharper and more adaptive, providing excellent visibility whether you're cruising through city streets or navigating remote highways at night. Moving along the sides, the aerodynamic body design stands out. Unlike traditional bulky motorhomes, this one feels refined and streamlined. Toyota has clearly focused on reducing drag while maintaining that strong, durable build quality they're known for. Large panoramic windows run along the side, not only enhancing the visual appeal but also flooding the interior with natural light. The wheels are another highlight, large, rugged alloy wheels paired with all-terrain tires that make this motorhome ready for any kind of journey. Whether you're heading to the mountains, the desert, or a coastal road trip, it looks and feels capable. There are also smart storage compartments integrated into the exterior design, making it easy to store gear without disrupting the clean look. At the rear, you'll notice a modern LED lighting setup that stretches across the back, giving it a premium and high-tech feel. There's also a built-in ladder and optional roof rack system, perfect for carrying extra luggage, bikes, or even solar panels. Overall, the exterior design perfectly balances style, strength, and functionality. It's built to impress and perform. Step inside, and this is where things get truly exciting. The interior of the 2026 Toyota motorhome feels more like a luxury apartment than a vehicle. Toyota has clearly focused on comfort and innovation, creating a space that feels both practical and premium. The moment you enter, you're greeted with high-quality materials, soft-touch surfaces, elegant wood accents, and ambient lighting that gives the cabin a warm and inviting atmosphere. The layout is incredibly well thought out, maximizing every inch of space without feeling cramped. The living area features plush seating that can easily convert into a sleeping space. The seats are not only comfortable but also designed to support long hours of travel. There's a fold-out dining table that's perfect for meals, work, or even just relaxing with a laptop. Speaking of technology, the infotainment system is top-notch. A large touchscreen display controls everything from navigation to entertainment and even climate settings. It supports wireless connectivity, allowing you to seamlessly connect your smartphone for music, calls, and apps. There's also a premium sound system that delivers crisp, immersive audio, perfect for road trip playlists. The kitchen area is compact but incredibly functional. You get a modern stovetop, a refrigerator, a microwave, and smart storage solutions that make cooking on the road easy and enjoyable. Everything is designed to be efficient and accessible. Moving toward the sleeping area, the bed is spacious and comfortable, offering a restful experience after a long day of travel. Some versions even come with adjustable settings and memory foam mattresses, adding an extra touch of luxury. There's also plenty of wardrobe space and storage for clothes and essentials. The bathroom setup is equally impressive, featuring a compact shower, sink, and toilet with modern fittings. It's clean, practical, and designed to give you all the conveniences of home, even when you're miles away from civilization. And let's not forget the smart features. This motorhome comes equipped with advanced climate control, energy-efficient systems, and even optional solar panels to keep everything running smoothly. It's designed for both comfort and sustainability, which is a big win for modern travelers. Now let's talk about performance, because this is where Toyota really brings everything together. Under the hood, the 2026 Motorhome is powered by a robust and efficient engine, likely based on Toyota's proven hybrid or turbocharged technology. This means you're getting a balance of power and fuel efficiency, something that's crucial for long-distance travel. The engine delivers strong horsepower, giving the motorhome enough muscle to handle highways, steep inclines, and heavy loads without struggling. Acceleration is smooth and controlled, and despite its size, it feels surprisingly easy to drive. Toyota has also focused heavily on driving comfort. The suspension system is designed to absorb bumps and rough terrain, ensuring a smooth ride for everyone inside. Whether you're driving through city traffic or cruising on open roads, the experience remains stable and comfortable. Handling is another area where this motorhome shines. Thanks to advanced steering systems and driver assist technologies, it feels more manageable than you'd expect. Features like lane assist, adaptive cruise control, and parking sensors make driving safer and less stressful. Fuel efficiency is also impressive for a vehicle of this size. With hybrid technology, you can expect better mileage compared to traditional motorhomes, which means fewer stops and more time enjoying your journey. And when it comes to overall driving experience, it's all about confidence. The 2026 Toyota Motorhome gives you the feeling that you can go anywhere, anytime, without worrying about comfort or reliability. So, whether you're planning a cross-country adventure, a weekend getaway, or even living on the road full-time, this motorhome offers everything you need, and more. The new 2026 Toyota Motorhome isn't just about getting from one place to another. It's about redefining travel, turning every journey into an unforgettable experience. And honestly, once you see what it offers, going back to traditional travel might feel a little boring.